Eleanor, say hi. Say hi.
Hi,
It's me, Eleanor.
I'm Aaron.
And this is my mommy.
I'm Mommy's church.
Yeah, and mommy doing my hair. Yeah?
I'm Mommy's hair.
And mommy hair.
Oh, Mommy's hair.
Yeah. And what you doing?
Mommy's hair.
Mommy hair, yes.
Mommy's hair.
Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today we're going to be doing Eleanor's hair. So since she started school, it's easier to do a protective hairstyle that I don't have to style it every day. So today we're doing a bubble hairstyle. It's literally really easy. You just use hair tie to tie. I've decided to put a little bit of hair extension. This is Brazilian wool I've used to add to it, and I'm doing it to the end of her natural hair, making sure that there's a tiny bit of the hair over her own natural hair, so I don't cut her natural hair. So I'm just measuring it to make sure they are all the same length. And yeah, you can see that I've just gone, the pink tie is where her natural hair is, so I just go one more over it to make sure that I don't cut her natural hair. It's really easy and it doesn't take long to do, so, and it looks really pretty for little girls. So we're just gonna go through it, and so you just keep watching. So you do it just like you're doing normal crochet hair. There's different ways you can do it, and I've done it in a different ways, but I just go with the flow. This side, like this one, I'm doing it like a crochet hair, so I just use the crochet pin it and put the needle, the hair extension in. Get a little bit of the extension and just wrap around it, so it's nice and tight and it doesn't wrap off, especially if you've got a hair texture like my daughter's one that is very silky like a Caucasian hair. She doesn't have any afro in her hair. It's a very silky hair, so it easily wrap off. When you do her hair, the next day it's all come out. So when I use this one to tie around the base, it makes sure that it stays in put and it doesn't wrap out. So that's what I'm doing. And after that, it's just easy process. I found that it's more easier if you get your hair bands easy, especially if you're doing little girls like my daughter's age, like toddlers hair. They don't have the patience to sit around for a long time. So just be organized, get all the hair bands ready, and just group them according to the colors you want to use for each hair strand that you're using each one. And it's more easier instead of everything together and you having to look for what colors that so you can see here that I put some of the hair ties on one of my fingers, and I just remove them and continue doing it this way. I'm not looking for the hair. Also, when you put the hairs next to her, she'll be putting them in her mouth and it will all be on the floor. So it's easier to just put it on my hand and be doing it. So once I measure it, I just cut the hair that is a little bit over out of it, and that's it really. Just measured it to make sure that it's all the same length. and that's it. So this is it all done, and I just use hair accessories to accessorize it a bit more, but you don't really need to, or you don't have to do it because it's very colorful already, but I like to be extra, so I just use a bit more accessories to accessorize it at the end and in the middle, and this is how it looks. So it's evening, she's gonna go bed, it's her bedtime, so when she wake up and she's going out, I will record it and show you like how it looks, and I'll start the front. This style lasts more than 3 weeks, so it's a very good protective hairstyle.
Jeez.
Yeah. So this is how Eleanor looks like. This is how the hair turned out. Turned out really beautiful. Yeah, turn your back. Turn your back, darling.
Huh?
Turn your back.
Huh?
Turn your back, let's see your hair. So this is how the hair looks like.
Boo.
Yeah. Turn around.
Huh?
Turn around.
Huh?
Turn around.
Huh?
Yay. We're done. So this is how the hair turns out. It turns out really beautiful. It's a close up. You like your hair? Yeah? And you're ready to go to school, innit? You want to play a bit? Jump.